How will the NFT space mature in the next years? Or what do you expect from the NFT space in the next couple of years?
I think this idea of NFTs for utility, too many people got burned on it. I think this idea is no longer going to work. I think the NFTs that are going to matter are going to be the ones that focus on culture and community. Culture and community is the only utility. It's the only thing that has any relevancy. It's almost like what I think you're seeing in the blockchain space, this serendipitous circle jerk of just more tech, more tech. Same thing with utilities. More, or with NFTs, more utility. It's all a bunch of nonsense. People want community, people want culture, they want camaraderie, and that's what I think the future of NFTs and the NFT space is going to look like.
Cool. And what are you interested in private aspect? Are you also looking into ordinals and stuff?
Yeah, I'm a huge ordinals collector. I think I've got...
What are your favorite ordinals projects?
I think I'd have to put OMBs at the top of the list. Then I'd probably have to put the Quantum Cats and then the Node Monkeys. I think those would be the top three from my perspective. Huge fans of the Puppets community. I got a couple of them, but I got to stick true to the builders that I know and the builders that I'm familiar with. And ZK Shark is one of the best in the business. Raktoshi is not to be faded, and Udi I think speaks for himself. So I go where the top builders go, and those are my big ordinal bags.
Great. So thank you very much for your time.
Thanks.
And see you around.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks.